A couple of weeks ago I made a little video in my backyard showing two woodpeckers having their way with one of my trees, and last night there was a storm and my tree, about 2:30 in the morning, I heard a loud smashing noise out back. This is my patio now. This is where the woodpeckers used to live. There was their front door. Another big branch over here. Bunch of debris about 2:30 in the morning. The loud smashing, banging noise of the tree falling apart from the storm. So that's what the woodpeckers did to my tree.